This is how to tape for Osgood Schlatters Disease. Using K-tape or D-tape, it should be stretchy. Measure about 2 cm below the painful spot, and same length above the knee. Cut using scissors. I usually use 2 strips of the same length. You can use 3 if you have bigger legs. Or if 2 strips doesn't give you 30% symptoms reduction, using scissors, round the corners of the tape. This will stop it gripping into your clothes. And detaching, this is what it should look like. Starting with the tape just below the pain. Stick it without any tension. Give the tape a 50–80% stretch and lay it on your skin. Remove the last tab and stick it on without tension. This will prevent pressure sores. Repeat with the other strip, overlapping 30% with the first strip. All done. Go for a move and see how it feels. If you need more support, add another strip. Or try other technique linked here.